These short portraits of butterflies will focus on Central European species. Let's start with the orange-tip butterfly. Meteorologically, spring begins on the 1st of March. The astronomical and thus calendrical beginning of spring falls on the first equinox of the year around the 20th of March. However, there is also the phenological beginning of spring, which is determined by the beginning of flowering of certain plants and is therefore dependent on weather and location. However, one could also define that spring has arrived as soon as the first orange-tip butterflies will appear. This is the case in some years and regions already in March, but it can also extend well into April. In the first illustration, we see a female orange-tip butterfly on the typical food plant, the cuckoo flower. Without cuckoo flower, there are usually no orange-tip butterflies. Occasionally, this species resorts to other cruciferous plants such as the garlic mustard. Only one egg is laid per plant because the caterpillar only likes the flowers and rejects the leaves. Thus, one plant is enough for only one single caterpillar. Sibling animals are fought as food competition and are possibly eaten. How do we recognize the orange-tip butterfly? At first glance from a distance, the female is easily mistaken for the cabbage-white butterflies which appear from May onwards. However, upon a closer look of the underside of the wings, the distinctive golden-green zigzag pattern is unmistakable. The male, on the other hand, is unmistakable even from a distance due to its intensely orange-colored forewings. This mobile phone photo shown here of a flying male orange-tip butterfly is a little blurry. The animals are rarely caught photographically because they are constantly in a hurry. After all, they only have a lifespan of 2 to 3 weeks. This is different from the next species to be discussed, which can even overwinter and live up to a year.